It's very common for you to need other people's video clips as B-roll and detail shots for your video. Remember in the last video when I said, click convert and then hope and pray that it works. Sometimes the download just simply doesn't work. Well, if you tried every video downloader you could find and alternative links to the video and nothing seems to work, you may just have to screen record. If you need both the audio and the video, I recommend a screen recorder like OBS or a hardware recorder that records an HDMI signal to an external drive. If you only need the video, you can use QuickTime on a Mac to make a simple screen recording. On your Mac, open up the Launchpad and search QuickTime. Click File, New Screen Recording. On the bottom is a bar that gives you options for capturing still images like a screenshot, or on the right there are options for recording video of the entire screen or only a portion that you draw out with a marquee. Typically, you will record the entire screen and then crop it later in the video edit. There are options for what audio to record, but there's not an option to just record the internal feed from the speakers. If you need audio, you really would need to do something more advanced like recording in OBS. Once you click the camera button in QuickTime, it's currently recording your screen. You can verify this by looking for the square stop button in a circle on the top bar over on the right side by the time. QuickTime is now recording your screen. To record a video, queue up the video to well before the part you want. Remember, you can always cut out the extra footage later in the edit. Go full screen, hit play, and then get your mouse out of the way. After your mouse stops moving, the user interface and video control buttons should disappear, and you're left with just the video you want to capture. Let it play and resist the urge to move the mouse around or do anything on the computer. Just let it play. Once the part you want is over, come back out of full screen mode, and then click the stop button on the top bar. Typically these videos save to your desktop, but you may want to just be sure it gets moved to your project folder by going File, Save, and then choosing the appropriate folder to save to. So, now you know how to get someone else's video. You could either download it with a YouTube downloader, screen record it with QuickTime, or you could just ask nicely, I guess. Catch you on the next one.